Hi, today I'm going to show you how an app called BleachBit works. BleachBit is app designed to thoroughly clean your PC and remove unnecessary files, in order to free up space and eliminate privacy-related data. Once you complete the quick setup process, you can check out BleachBit's well-organized layout, which allows you to perform operations easily. Therefore, you can delete backups, DS-store, thumbsdb, and temporary files, along with system items, such as clipboard contents, logs, memory dumps, MUI cache, prefetch, recycle bin and temporary files. The application can also delete files that belong to web browsers. Some of these objects include cache, cookies, crash reports, DOM storage, URL history, session recovery, and site preferences. As fast as application-related content proceeds, the tool can clear Flash, cache and cookies, Microsoft Office, debug logs and most recently used files, and Windows Explorer. Examples: list of documents recent, run, search history, WinRAR, and VLC media player, most recently used files, among others. An important aspect worth mentioning is that BleachBit allows you to preview the results and find out how much disk space is recovered after deleting selected files. Cleaning these items is simple, with just the click of a button. Other BleachBit tools allow you to shred files and folders to prevent them from being recovered with specialized programs, free up space, create a custom list of files and folders ready for deletion, as well as create a whitelist. The program requires a moderate amount of CPU and system memory to function properly, depending on hardware specifications, has a good response time, and finishes a clean job quickly, without causing freezing, crashing of the operating system or displaying error notifications. I didn't encounter any problems during my testing. All in all, BleachBit offers instant solutions to clear your system of unnecessary data to prevent prying eyes from accessing your private data and at the same time to make room for new files. See you next video, and now some music.